I thought I'd show this. As a mechanic, I've seen this many times in life, but for those who don't know, if you ever hear the phrase, you had a head gasket failure, that's what this is right here. This is about the most classic looking head gasket failure you'll ever see. Sometimes it's really hard to tell where they failed. This one clearly has burned between two cylinders. And the effect of that is you don't have any compression on those two cylinders, so you're running on a two-cylinder car. You'll have little or no compression, I should say. And in this case, it also meant it was pushing coolant from the coolant passages into those cylinders, and that also caused damage to the lower half of the engine. Actually, it hadn't damaged it yet, but the oil and coolant had mixed, so I felt like it wasn't worth rebuilding. There is a 1-minute educational video on when somebody tells you, hey, your head gaskets are bad, that's what they mean.